This
Yes.
is very far from the like Cebu City.
Gini. Señorito, excuse me, may I ask a question? Because this is our first time here in Cebu City. Do you have question?
Can we ask where is the nearest restaurant in here?
Most
Nearest.
famous.
Most famous.
I'm sorry, señorito. This is
our first time.
our first time here in Cebu City.
Sa
Yeah,
El
because
Curso.
here.
Come again, señorito.
El Curso.
You
Star.
Do you speak English, señorito? Because by the way, I'm Espanol. Buenos días, señorito.
Ay.
Yeah, this is
May hapon.
I'm Sarah.
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 Ella.
Wilson.
Ella. Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah. What do you have question?
Only restaurant?
Oh, food court.
Yeah.
Where is the food court?
There's so many food court there like El Curso and Mustang.
What name?
What is the
El
most...
Curso.
Oh, by the way, what is the most popular?
Popular, famous. Yeah. Señorita, excuse me, hablan poco por favor de español. Señorita, this is my sister. We only vacation here in Cebu City. Then we ask for strangers the popular food here in Cebu City.
I'm Ella.
I'm Sarah.
And this
Yes.
is very far from the like Cebu City.
Yeah. By the way, do you have any recommendations? What food do you want?
What we're going to eat?
We're going to eat together.
No.
Like we want Pinoy food. Pinoy food.
No, because I'm not my home is very far from there.
Oh, so
And
So what food? Pinoy food here. Pinoy food.
chicken.
What name? We want name.
Chicken Bisaya.
Chicken Bisaya?
Yeah.
What is that?
what is that?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what is chicken? Manok.
Yeah. Apulyo prito por fuera y suave por dentro, señorito.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's chicken.
Chicken
Okay.
manok.
Do you have
Where we can eat the chicken?
Jollibee.
Jollibee?
Oh, okay.
Jollibee or McDo.
So thank you so much. Thank you. Gracias, señorita. Gracias, señorita, señora.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Tagasa de Tagasa.
Klaro kay naong.
Thank you.
Tagasa de Tagasa.
Klaro kay naong.
Galong nga ako mga igsuon. Ama ko rin yung mga igsuon.
Sa ano?
Din sa kay mama.
Lapu-lapu.
Oo. Boss,